Eden's Experiments. Hi, I'm Eden.
I'm Mia.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Eden, what are we doing today?
We're making slime art jamming.
What are the ingredients, guys? I think I know one. Slime glue.
Activator.
Food coloring.
Glitter! First we take slime glue and then activate it inside.
Next, we put activator and pour it in each pot of glue.
Eden, I think we should get an adult to help us. Yes. Next, take a drop of food coloring and stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir. It looks like snot.
Mine really does look like snot.
It looks like snot.
Mine looks like yellow snot.
Look, mine is going to drop my snot. Ah, this feels so nice.
Mine feels so cool.
Yeah, mine also. Mine also.
But mine's really sticky. I'm Mia.
I'm Sam. I'm Eden. Thanks for watching. See you real soon.
Bye. Bye.